So ELE Advanced Technologies is a manufacturer of turbine components for aerospace and for the power generation, the IGT market, and we also have an automotive facility as well in Slovakia. So we've got a nice balanced portfolio over three markets. The previous couple of years we have seen some substantial growth, which has allowed us to make some considerable investment in new technology. We have a 5-year business plan that has allowed us to commit a further £4 million investment. Some of the machines that you can see around us today that have helped us increase our capacity and our output. We are quite tight for space here at the Cotton Tree Lane site, so there are plans to double the size of the facility going forward within the next 18 months. ELE Advanced Technologies have invested in a wide variety of machines, so we've got 3 new Makino G5 machines that have been delivered and are currently being commissioned. We've invested heavily in a Kitamura milling machine and Joe Moyes EDM machines, and on top of that we've invested in some Blom Young creep feed grinding machines. Well, whilst we're aware of the aerospace market collapsing, the platforms that we're on have not been affected yet. The platforms and the products that we make are quite specialised, and our customers see us as an essential manufacturer of those components. So the parts that we manufacture are currently unaffected by the pandemic. So ELE Advanced Technologies works with their customers at the design stage to help the design for manufacture of the product. The speed to react is very important for our customers, and because of our agile approach to manufacturing, we are seen as a flexible manufacturing component.